Hi guys, it's Melissa, the Vintage Goose. I thought I would jump on here and do a quick little craft with me tutorial since I've got to create some packaging for a pair of earrings. And I wanted to use this die here. And this die is from In Love Art Shop and I will link it below. And so yeah, I just want to do a quick, I've got everything kind of started. I've got an idea in my mind, and so I thought I would just do a little kind of craft with me so we can learn as we go here. So I've cut out my first layer, which is my pattern paper, using this die here. And then I cut out a second layer with white and I cut the top off. As you can see here, I cut the little top off and then I went ahead and pre-folded it, and it's going to go on here just like this. And so I've also got a piece of, like, this is vinyl, but it's like the pocket protectors, the page protectors for scrapbooking. And so I have a little piece of that, and I'm going to glue it down in here. So let's do this step first. I'm going to use some Fabrifix. Since this is plastic, let me see here. Okay, I think I'm just going to go around to this, and the other layer will hide the glue. So stick this on here. Oh my goodness, I always mess up. See this? I got some glue right there. I'm the worst at that. It's like if I make a shaker pocket, you can bet I'm going to get some glue in my window. Always happens to me. But maybe I can get that off here. Okay, so got this little piece of vinyl stuck on here. And let me see. So I think my next step is going to be, I thought I would attach this piece of paper inside here. I've already marked my holes for my earrings. I don't know if you could see it. And so I thought I would just attach this with a brad. So I think I'll do that next. But first, I also want to just punch some scallops across the bottom because I thought that that would make it really cute. So we'll do that. Okay. And so I want to attach this right about, we'll put it right here. And it also helps to sturdy this up a little bit to have a couple of layers. Oh wait, you know what? Let me see. Okay, it has to go on this piece. So you attach it to this white piece. I almost messed that up, didn't I? So, let me get this here a little X-Acto knife and just punch a little starter hole for my brad. Here it is. See, I lost my brad. So I have this little tiny gold brad. I chose gold to go with the paper since my paper has the gold dots on it. I thought that would be real cute. So then you open your brad up, and so now you have this. Okay, and so now we're going to glue this inside here. Make sure this is going to line up real well. Okay. So I think I'll put my glue right here on this side here. Go around this little cutout. Okay, and then just make sure that's lined up real well right there. And then we're going to flip it over here and do the other side. Some across the bottom. I think I'll put it on here. Okay. Line it all up real well. So now we have this created. This is going to come over to the back. So I thought I would put a little flower back here and attach it to the back here, so that when you bend this down and tuck, you can tuck it in, and that should help hold that down. So I think that's what I want to do. But I'm going to use this Aleene's Tacky Glue. So, spin that down, find the center, try not to get any glue on the flap, and then stick that down there like that. I should have probably used hot glue so we don't have to wait on that to dry. Yeah, let's do that. Let me wipe all the glue off and run over here and hot glue it real quick. Keep glue on there, but we'll try it and see. Oops, sorry. Let's see. Okay. So maybe that's stuck on there. So now this little flap will just tuck into this flower. Like this. Okay, so now we've got to figure out how to attach the earrings. So I got some little holes marked here for the earrings to go into. And I do realize that we do have to stick the backs on, and they're pretty far out there. Let's see. Yeah. We'll see how this works out. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay. Isn't that so cute? Here's what it looks like on the side. Looks like my paper's not completely stuck down since I was kind of in a hurry. Didn't let it dry good. There. Let's see. Okay, so then tuck this in. So you've got a cute little back, and here's the front. It's got the cute little earrings showing. Isn't that so cute? And then I've also got this little bow here. This is a Coco and Reno bow. And I put a couple of layers of white cardstock behind the glitter paper. And so I thought I'd put that on the front. Yeah. Some glue on that. And then find the center. And glue that down. Let's see. Isn't that so cute? So there we go, a cute little tutorial, little craft with me that worked out. So glad. And you know, I could probably also put a little washi down here if I wanted to hold this down, but I think it's okay. And this way, the recipient, all they got to do is take the earrings off. So there we go. Should have let my bow dry, but I'm in a hurry. Isn't it so cute? So I'll put all the information below on this little die. These earrings, they are from Target, and they're so pretty. I just love them. The sterling silver. I wear these types of earrings every day. The big cubic zirconian earrings. They're my favorite. And I also forgot to show you, but this is what I made the little flower with. This is a punch I've had for a long time. Looks like EK Success. So, yeah, super cute. I'm happy with the way it turned out. So, okay, thanks for watching. I hope you try this.